police colonel who accused two co-chairmen of the House Quad Committee of coercing him to testify about the existence of the so-called reward system was once again cited in contempt. Here's the report.
Police Colonel Hector Grijaldo appeared at the resumption of the House Quad Committee hearing on drug war-related deaths. He had previously accused Representatives Dan Fernandez and Benny Abante of pressuring him to admit to the existence of a reward system during the Duterte administration. Abante and Fernandez volunteered to serve as resource persons in Tuesday's hearing to ensure fairness in the investigation. Grijaldo, however, repeatedly avoided answering questions.
Your Honor, I would stand by my statement. I invoke my right for self-incrimination.
I don't think it's incriminating because number one, sinumpang salaysay niya po ito eh. Pirmado niya po ito eh.
This led to a stern reprimand from lawmakers.
Matapang ka lang doon sa Senado kasi may kakampi ka. Dito ka magpakita ng tapang mo.
His participation in that Senate inquiry was merely to besmirch the reputation of some of the chairmen here.
You're just telling me your ignorance of the law. Tell me if you have a criminal case against you regarding this issue. Galing ako sa serbisyo, iho, pero nakakahiya ka.
The Quadcom offered Grijaldo an executive session to detail his Senate testimony, but he declined. Due to his repeated refusal to answer, he was cited in contempt again. Meanwhile, Abante and Fernandez denied Grijaldo's allegations, maintaining that they never coerced him to testify.
Napakaliit po ng kwarto at sa labas po ng kwarto, marami pong mga tao nandun. So kung nagkaroon po ng coercion, nagkaroon po ng harassment, nagkaroon po ng forceful force galing po sa amin, I think malalaman po ng mga taong nandyan. Makikita po natin na yung itsura niya, hindi naman po siya mukhang na-coerce. Mukhang masayang-masaya pa nga po siya.
Normal naman yung vetting na ginagawa natin, kinakausap natin. So, we talked to him and sinabi ko kay Colonel Garma, can he corroborate your statement? Ang sabi ni Colonel Garma, yes eh. So, kinausap namin.
For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.